everyone, welcome back to Burn the Map Adventures. On today's episode, we're gonna wash all that dirt and grime off the Jeep and get it all clean. Let's check it out. So I just received this big detailing kit from Salty Captain. As you can see, there's a ton of stuff in this kit. The grease attack, the four-wheel drive and RV wash, there's the glass cleaner, tire shine, interior clean, and then the drip dry. The musket, which this is actually something I'm really excited to check out. This hooks up to a regular garden hose. So you put the wash, mix it with water. There's a little capsule that holds it in here and you spray it down. So excited to see how this thing works out. Sponge dirt trap, which basically keep your top side, all the water clean and while trapping the dirt on the bottom of the bucket. So microfiber chamois, which is kind of nice. You can pop it over here, just clean it. Two brushes here. You got a more coarse and a more fine brush. You got the spray nozzles for all the products down here. They gave us a big chamois. So they also sent this big microfiber towel bag for interior, exterior, wheels, windows. So we'll go through all these kind of products and see what each one of them does and how they work. I just got back from a trail and the Jeep is absolutely filthy, so I'm really excited to dive into this stuff and just see how good it works. I think we should just get out of the garage and start filling up a bucket of water and walk away with hopefully a clean Jeep, and really need to scrub that interior because it's full of dust. So we're back in the garage right now, and I wanted to give you guys a quick rundown of all the products we used today and what I liked, what I didn't. The four-wheel drive and RV wash, this thing, it really tackled all the dirt pretty well, and mixed with the musket, I will say this thing was pretty badass and it seemed to do the job mixed with this product. Honestly, I was pretty impressed with the way this thing washed the car. So this, in conjunction with a little hand noodle, it was pretty great. My only thing I would say about this is it seemed to snag a lot on some of the surfaces of the Jeep. You can see it kind of like started ripping some fibers off the little glove, so maybe in the future this thing could get a little bit more sturdy. The grease attack, this thing was great for the engine bay, normal multi-purpose grease. Tire shine did the job, honestly, for off-roading. I don't really have a use for this, but if you like your tires clean and like lustrous black, this definitely does the trick. For me personally, I don't really see a need for it. The interior cleaner did a great job at getting all that dirt inside out of there. Really like this guy. The glass cleaner, again, this is another great one. It really kept a streak-free glass, so this one was pretty good. So the drip dry is supposed to help with water spotting. It actually did a pretty good job spraying it post-wash, but for me personally, I feel like it's just one extra step I don't really need. So maybe on something like a sports car that you actually care about that. I take my car out all the time and it gets dirty, so this is just one extra step that I don't really need. The drying chamois, this thing was pretty great, super thick and durable, and it never was damp after drying the whole car, so that was great. The brush did the job. What can I say? It's a brush. Out of all the products, the musket It's great. If you're someone like me who doesn't have a pressure washer and just washes with a garden hose, this thing is actually pretty awesome. This in conjunction with the four-wheel drive and RV wash, does the damage. This will attack the dirt, and it really made a good job. Thank you all for tuning in, and please hit the like and subscribe if you enjoyed this video. We'll see you out on the trails. I'm gonna have a clean rig. Let's get it all dirty. See you out there.